If you'd like to see what I eat in a day on the Weight Watcher Blue Plan to lose 126 pounds, be sure to watch this video. Hi, my name is Patty. Thanks for clicking on my channel, Winning at Weight Loss. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Today, I'm going to take you on another What I Eat in a Day video. I have breakfast, lunch, dinner. I made some muffins for dessert. All the meals are kind of low in points, so it's kind of a low point day, so I'll have probably more in snacks. We'll see how it goes. So if you'd like to see what I eat in a day on the Weight Watcher Blue Plan, come on along and spend the day with me. For breakfast this morning, I'm making a sandwich. I'm going to cook up this turkey sausage. These are the sausages I'm using. Then I toasted a 1.647 English muffin. Then I'm using a 1 piece of low-fat American cheese. I only used a half a slice. Then I'm frying an egg that I put in. I sprayed the pan and fried an egg. There's my piece of sausage. And there goes the egg. And that is my 4-point sandwich. 1 point for the English muffin, 0 points for the egg, 1 point for the cheese, and 2 points for the breakfast sausage. And there's my sandwich, 4 points. Just as good as eating at McDonald's. Back at the community center today, gonna do some walking and some swimming, get some fitness in. For lunch today, I'm having a 1 hot dog. It's a Hebrew National 97% fat-free for 1 point on a 1 point bun with some grilled onions and mustard and ketchup, and then a side of an extra hot dog that I'm just going to dip, and that is my lunch, and it is 3 points. So I'm having some watermelon for a snack. It's always a great idea to have everything cut up and easy to reach and in the front of the fridge so you can grab it easily and not eat food that is bad for you. Have those healthy snacks easy to reach. There's a nice refreshing 0 point snack for the summer, watermelon. For dinner, I'm roasting a pan of these Normandy style vegetable blends. Vegetables I got at Costco. I have them in a pan like this, and I'm going to add some fresh onion to it. I'm going to spray it with some butter flavored spray. Add some spices to it, this blend seasoning. And then I will roast them in the oven about 400 degrees for about 30 minutes. For the shrimp, I am using the air fryer and I'm spraying it. Then I add the shrimp. They are cooked shrimp and they have the tail on. I'm going to spray them with some butter flavored spray and add some seasonings. I will add some of this blend. I'm going to make some fried rice to go along with the shrimp that I'm grilling in the air fryer, and I start off with some rice that I previously cooked, and then I'm going to add some green onions or scallions to it. Green onions add a lot of flavor to just about anything. I especially like it with Asian dishes. I'm going to add some mixed vegetables to the rice. I also add some less sodium soy sauce, just some to give it some flavor. And then I'll cook that till the frozen vegetables are done, and then add some eggs. Then I will put in the scrambled eggs that I tossed, and I will toss it in the fried rice, and that'll be our side with our grilled shrimp, along with the roasted veggies. There is my 3-point meal. It's 0 points for the shrimp, 0 points for the veggies, and 3 points for a half a cup of the rice. Okay, I'm gonna make some cinnamon oat muffins. I'm going to use this Kodiak cake cinnamon oat mix, and I'm gonna use a cup of that. I'm going to use a cup of almond milk, the unsweetened vanilla. I'm going to put 3 eggs. Two overly ripe bananas. And then I'm going to mash that up. I have the oven preheated to 350 degrees. And this recipe is going to make 12 muffins at 1 point each. 1 teaspoon of vanilla. 1 tablespoon of baking powder. 1 tablespoon of monk fruit sweetener. A dash of salt. And I'm going to whisk that up. I'm going to add a little bit more cinnamon to the mixture just because I like cinnamon. Then I'm going to use my non-stick silicone muffin pan to bake the muffins. And I have the muffin tins all filled up. I will bake it for 18 minutes at 350 degrees. There's the muffins out of the oven. They're pretty good size, as you can see, and they're only 1 point a piece. You can have these for dessert, or you can have them for breakfast. So I'm gonna have them for dessert. There is my 3-point after dinner dessert. I'm having 2 of the muffins I made, and I drizzled just a tiny bit of sugar-free caramel. And then I'm having a 1-point iced coffee that I made with Quest salted caramel protein, just a little bit of that. That's a 3-point after dinner dessert. I got some steps at the pool today, but I have to finish them up tonight, so I'm getting 1 lap around the lake, which is about 2,000 steps. That'll give me about 10,200 for the day. The geese are getting some steps in too. I'm gonna end my day with 40 of these garden veggie straws in the zesty ranch flavor. They're only 4 points for 40 straws, and I'm having the rest of my water flavored with some flavor drops, so that'll be it for the day. There they are, 40 veggie straws. These veggie straws are nice and crunchy. If you feel like having a salty snack that's not too bad in points, have some of these. So that's the end of today's What I Ate in a Day video. I ended the day using 21 out of my 24 points available. I have a 3-point carryover. And if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified of every time I upload a new video. Remember, we're here to eat healthy, get fit, and be well. This is Patty, and I'm winning at weight loss. Thanks so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.